This is my best tripe stew or CALLOS recipe. To tenderize and clean the tripe, boil in water with laurel, peppercorn, and salt for 30 minutes or pressure cook for 15 minutes. Rinse, slice, and drain. Slice 6 pieces of garlic, chop 2 tablespoons of onion, 1 tablespoon of sliced ginger, 1 piece soft chorizo or sliced hard chorizo, or you can combine them both. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 can of garbanzo beans, and slice into cube vegetables, carrots, potato, bell peppers, and celery. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan on medium-high heat. Then add garlic until it's brown. Add onion and ginger. Then add the soft chorizo. Smash it so that the flavor will come out. Or if you have the sliced hard chorizo, just add into it. Okay, now add the tripe, stir, and sprinkle the black pepper and a paprika. Stirring all together so that the flavors of the black pepper and the paprika is absorbed by the tripe. Oh, by the way, I forgot. You should have also put the chili powder. And of course, the bay leaf. Now add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar instead of using MSG, and then black pepper, 1 can of tomato sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir and mix thoroughly, then add water to cover. Now bring to boil, cover, and cook for 7 minutes. While the tripe is cooking, prepare the vegetables. Slice the vegetables into cubes. So I have carrots, potato, bell peppers, and celery. Then stir fry the mixed vegetables until the vegetables look shiny and cooked. Then add the vegetables and 1 can of garbanzo. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. If you have leftover cheese, it's good to have some 2 tablespoons of cheese. This is optional. Season with salt and pepper according to your taste. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. So, delicious, naimas, masarap. Don't forget to click the subscribe button right down here. Bye-bye.